Okay, so we're doing another video for him. Actually, what's your name?
Owen.
Owen.
Yeah.
Owen from Korea.
Yeah.
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah, you gotta make sure that part.
Yeah.
All right. So what's the questions?
Question.
Time stop, ticking, waving.
Waving and slow work.
Oh, the footworks.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can do slow footworks first. So, so regular 2 steps.
Let's start.
Boom, 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 or boom, 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 boom. Right. And we go in the half speed.
Yeah.
So, boom, 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 boom. So right now we're doing the flat foot, yeah?
Yeah.
So like this. Like yeah. And more slow down, like stretch it out. So you gotta feel the toe, heel,
Yeah.
toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom, pa, boom, pa, boom, pa. The rhythm's almost the same, like a ta, 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 ta. But you can slow down.
Yeah.
And then boom, pa, boom, pa, pa, pa. Then pa, pa. So down on only toe, 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 no heels. Yeah. You touching the heel, but don't count this time. You just feel your toes. Ta, boom, ta. So that's a quick one, right? But normal speed, most of the time is this one. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you gotta feel the toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel,
Okay.
toe heel,
Okay.
toe heel,
Okay.
toe
Okay.
heel, toe
Okay.
heel, toe heel,
Okay.
toe heel, yeah. Slow down, boom, 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 yeah. Right. Then boom. 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 Toe, pa, 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 right, pa, 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 toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Right. Boom, 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 boom. So that was a half speed, yeah?
Yeah.
You kind of count slowly. Yeah, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. Yeah, yeah. Nice, nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So you could get it. This is called 2 timings.
The timing.
Yeah. Because your toe, heel, you catch up. It's kind of like you beat it up. You count it looks like the same. But the motion was slow down.
Yeah.
Not like this. Ta, 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 ba, ta, 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 ta. The beats are the same. Pa, pa, pa. Only toes. Pa, 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 right? Pa, pa. Pa, boom, pa, boom, boom. So you get to slow down. And then, bam, 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 or bam, bam, Pump. Pump. Did you know what two difference?
Yeah.
So that was more so that was different ways. But that was a toe to the heels. So you're going to do the heel to the toe. Right. Then right. So now only heels. You drop your toes,
Yeah.
but don't count these toe times. Just only heel the count. Pa, 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 pa. But now you feel the toe heel. I mean heel toe. Boom, pa, 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 boom, pa. Quick, pa, 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 but only heel. Ta 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 ta. Yeah. Ta 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 ta. So like a half a beat almost. Like you switch the toes. Ta 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 ta. You count in the twos. Like a ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. That's slow.
Yeah, slow.
But the slow down idea was the easy was a house step idea.
Yeah.
So they have a quick motion like this. Slow. But too curved.
Yeah.
So go like a chop, 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 chop. Yeah. Boom. Nah. Boom, 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 yeah. Boom, 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 yeah. Boom, 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 yeah. Boom, 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 yeah. Boom, 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 yeah. Right. So you can do regular speed and then mix together. Like
Yeah.
boom. So boom, 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 boom,
Oh.
boom, 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 boom. And then more slow down, you
Yeah.
gotta feel toe and heels more.
Yeah. 20K.
Yeah, boom, 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 and then ta 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 ta. Right. And upper body. Like this. Yeah, that's ideal. But it's slow. Now you feel more toe heels. And pa 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 pa. Now you gotta take it out of your legs and just upper body. Now you need a cushion a little bit. Then. Right.
Yeah.
And then without a knee. Without a knee, mean knee straight. Just like this. And then just upper body. Keep this one.
Yeah.
And then go leg faster. So ta 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 ta. Anything like a pa 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 pa. We keep this.
Keep that.
Like a slow mo here. That one's switching.
Yeah.
Yeah, so leg slow. And upper body just normal. Boom, 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 boom. Pa 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 pa. So then, right?
Just then. Then.
Right. So that's pretty much how it was doing it. Then, like, stop. Pa, 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 pa. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Nice. Yeah. So you can fit it separate because the leg go in auto drive. Yeah. So now you feel the toe heels. Boom, 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 boom. So you can do more slow down. Yeah? Boom. And you can add it to like this kind of thing if you want. It's like a boom. And you can mix like a bang together and then separate. So upper body slower and the leg fast. And then together. And then leg slower.
Oh.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
So this kind of separations we needed. We call it two timing for this one. So like a toe, you feel the toe. Or you feel the heels. Slow down. And then slow down this one. Yeah. And together. Right. Nice. So, toe. So that was like a sock walk slow down, yeah?
Yeah.
So we have 3 different sock walk. So that one looks good on the back to look like this. That one's like extra ones.
Yeah.
So more like a Bay Area type ones. You pick it up, heel together,
Yeah.
and then you drop same time.
Down.
And you pick it up again, then drop. Boom, 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 boom. So that was like a slow time. You catch up toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel. Pa 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 pa. The quick ones. That was pretty much just toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. You can slow down, yeah?
Yeah.
And then other ones are this, toe.
Yeah.
Let's see like a toe, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe. And another one's a mix, they call. So I got this.
Yes.
So you pick it up with this one,
Yeah.
and at the same time you pick it up with this one. So boom,
Boom.
boom,
Ah.
boom, 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 boom. Pa 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 pa. That was quick version. And then ta 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 ta. You get today? Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. So you can feel the toe heel.
Yeah.
You can do so much different rhythms, and then slow down. You get some ideas. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. I got fucking pee. I'll be back.